Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Hand and Stone membership. So without further delay, let's get started. To cancel your membership, the only way is to contact their customer service team at 1-866 889 7866. You will need to provide them with your account information, email address, and let them know the reason for your cancellation. Once they have this information, they will process your request and cancel your membership. That's it, guys. So easy, right? Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides.